Welcome. In this video I'll show how you can manage startup apps on LENOVO Legion GO S. So at the start we will need to switch directly to the desktop mode. So open the Steam menu by through either the touchscreen or the hardware button. Then go into Power and select Switch to Desktop option. Now wait a few seconds for this switch to, occur. Now go into the startup, launch settings. So let me just make it easier for all of us. So go into settings, system settings, and here scroll all the way to the bottom and specifically look for the Autostart section. Now here you will be able to add new apps to startup if necessary by pressing the add new option and select an application, or if you do not want to app to automatically launch on the system startup, simply remove it from this list by clicking or pressing the X or remove entry option right over here. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.